Hi, I'm Paris, and if you're like me, you probably have all of your music on your phone. Now when you get into the shower, you want to listen to your music. And those two things don't go together well. You can leave your phone out in other parts of the bathroom, but it may get steamy. Will that damage the phone? You put it under the towel. When you pick up the towel, you might drop it on the ground. So it'd be better if you could leave your phone just out charging in the bedroom and still listen to your music in the shower. Well, this Bluetooth splash-resistant speaker should let you do just that.
Today on A Closer Look, it's Tech Tuesday.
SoundLogic took a Bluetooth speaker, stuck a suction cup on the back, and made a shower speaker. This goes for about $15. I picked it up over at Home Depot, and you can find out more about it at the link down below this video. The shower speaker comes in both blue and red to match your shower decor. Now this speaker is splash resistant, not waterproof, so don't take it into the bathtub. It's rechargeable, of course. They even include USB cable to charge it up. Here's the device. The buttons are all soft press buttons on it, so it doesn't matter that the water's on them. And then it's got the suction cup on the back. Then it comes with this metal clip also that you attach here and then attach to something. Maybe if you have a particularly hardy piercing, you can hang it onto that. That won't be the case with me. Here's a close-up view of it with the suction cup. This is where you plug in the USB to charge it when it's dry. And then the buttons on the front. You have the on-off, pause, play, previous track, next track. And this one is to answer the phone while you're in the shower. Not sure I would do that. It took a couple hours to charge up the Bluetooth speaker. I'll now turn it on.
It is pairing, waiting for device connecting.
Okay, they're ready to talk to each other. I see shower speaker here.
Paired.
Volume control, I'll have to find that. Okay, it's ready to go. Let's hear what something sounds like. Let's try some Vivaldi. Maybe I have to control the volume from here. I can lower the volume. It's pretty good. I actually don't see a volume control on this. Found the volume. It's the next and previous. I guess that's maximum. Let's see if I can lower the volume here. That does work. Okay. I thought it would be a little louder than this. Well, I'm thinking with the shower water you need a little more volume. Well, I'm going to find that out next. How are you feeling? It's steamy. Well, probably all for the better. I've got the device right here. Should be able to hear it playing from the phone. There is a lot of shower sound, which does make this not quite as loud as I would have hoped. Now, you can't put this directly in the shower stream, so I'm going to stick it to the wall. Let's say over here. The steaminess is sort of defeating the point of making this a video.
Maximum employment and price stability.
This is FM radio. It's very loud.
Is now hitting the brakes.
So this Bluetooth shower speaker worked fine in the shower, and it still works. The volume, though, with the Bluetooth...
It is pairing, waiting for device connecting.
is an issue. Let me go to FM radio again.
He bought a handful of businesses, built several buildings, and opened
FM
Fraternal
radio
Bank and
is
Trust.
great.
Opally had an account there.
But the Bluetooth, the volume, at least listening to Vivaldi, was a little low with all the shower noise. But then again, people who are trying to get to work and are showering at 5:30 in the morning are probably not listening to Vivaldi. So if you're listening to something louder with a lot of bass in it, maybe that'd be just fine in the shower. It also had no problem with being splashed in the shower or the hot and steaminess of how my showers always are. Pretty good, I think, for $15. I picked it up at Home Depot. To find out more about it, there's a link down below this video. Keep checking back for our future gadget reviews, or you can click that subscribe button down below. You'll get notified when our videos go up. See you on the next review.